Hey, this is Rob with Road Dirt, and here's a winter storage tip from our friend Kevin Baxter of Baxter's Garage and Pro Twin Performance. It's pretty common knowledge that for winter storage you should put it on a battery tender, either drain or fill the tank, check your tire pressures, and keep it in a climate-controlled environment if possible. And there's an old adage that you should run the engine for about 10 minutes or so every so often during the winter storage months. But Kevin says that last one is actually incorrect. During winter storage, whether it's weeks or months at a time, your engine casings and engine compartments can build up a little bit of moisture on the inside. And with that moisture, you need more than just 10 minutes of running the engine to evaporate that out through the different ways it evaporates out of the engine. Kevin recommends at least 25 to 30 minutes of running that engine to totally evaporate out of it the moisture from time to time. That means taking it for a ride, or if it's too cold, in your garage, put it up on a stand and let it run. Maybe work it through the gears if you've got the rear end up on a stand, and get that moisture out of your engine casings. So there you have it, a winter storage tip from us at Road Dirt and our friend Kevin Baxter at Baxter's Garage. Until next time, this is Rob with Road Dirt. Ride life.